Hi friends, let's continue. We were discussing on reinforcement learning. Now let's look at reinforcement learning in another perspective. Here we have an environment, and the environment is watched by the interpreter, and the interpreter identifies what is the current state of the environment, and the current state of the environment is informed to the agent, and the agent further takes some action so that whatever goal of the agent is can be accomplished. So the action taken by the agent definitely is going to disturb the environment. So it's going to change the environment, and this change in environment is again looked by the interpreter and identifies the change, and that makes a state of the system to change. And what happened with the environment is visualized by the interpreter and makes a decision that the current change in the environment is making the environment move towards the goal or away from the goal. If it is moving towards the goal, it the interpreter will give a positive reward to the agent, and if the environment is moving away from the reward, away from what the goal we have, then the interpreter will give a negative reward or the punishment to the agent. So in all, there is a closed loop here. Environment watched by the interpreter, and the appropriate state of the environment is made known to the agent. After knowing the state of the environment, the agent will take some appropriate action which it feels that will make the environment change such that the whole system moves towards the goal. But not necessarily that each action should make the system move towards the goal. So sometimes it makes the other way also. So that is interpreted by the interpreter and sees how the environment has changed. Accordingly, the state is changed, and also a reward is produced, whether positive or negative, depending on how the environment changed. So that's another version of what we call reinforcement learning. It's a agent that makes some action, and that action changes the state of the environment, and uh, an interpreter will provide positive or negative reward depending upon how the environment changed. Does it go towards the goal, then positive. If it goes away from the goal, then we get a negative reward. So that's another interpretation of reinforcement learning. So let's continue more details in our coming sessions. So till then, take care. Bye.